This is a video about some of the little lanes and little tiendas and what I call the honeycomb of shops in downtown Veracruz. Accessories, cellular accessories that seem to be protected by an angel. I think that's the deal there. And this is how they close their shops. It's with these corrugated tin gates. Even the big shops, even that's the way the Coppel store closes. So I just took off this morning following a woman who had a cart with laundry on it. She was way ahead of me. But I said, I need to get laundry done. I'm going to follow her. And it just led me down here. Look how charming this is. We're off on a side street, which obviously has no auto traffic. And somewhere ahead here is the primary beehive that I have found by the Coppel store that I like so much. I bet it's right up here somewhere. But it's just store after store after store. Buenos dias, señora. Look at this. Here's the spiritual devotion. Lots of places you see little devotional boxes like this, but this is a big, gorgeous one. Yeah, this is the place I was looking for. Out there is, Benito Juarez, Luis Hidalgo, the main drag. That's the main drag with the Coppel store. But I've wandered down here a lot. Like this a lot. Some people would look at this and say dirty. That garbage is going to be picked up. And I say charming. And yesterday I found that this is the fastest way to get to where I was parked from here. Because that's where I was parked last night. Lots of places that will replace the screen on the phone for 30 pesos. I'm actually going to get that done today. I have a really sharp guy who's going to do work on my phone. Singer sewing machines, they repair and keep these old sewing machines going. You see a lot of places in here that do that. And the motorcycles do come down this lane and occasionally a car. Sure, you can see cars over there. It's early. Just getting started. It's around 8 o'clock. Here's another one. Another sewing machine repair. Isn't this amazing? No, it's back there. You can go back there. Somebody's chopping meat. I hear somebody chopping meat. Look at this. Preparing breakfast here. There'll be tacos and stuff here. And there's the big taco restaurant. You can sit down. I sat out here and had a meal one day. Just goes and goes and goes. Goes and goes and goes. Not much room to pass. That's up here. We can make a left here. This one's still closed up. Hasn't opened yet for the day. Mica Cristal, 30 pesos. A lot of places where you can replace the screen on your phone. Big store. Look how far back that goes. That goes way, way, way back. And there's the big Coppel store. Geez, it looks like it could be open. I don't see their screens down. I've been assuming it wouldn't open until 10:30. That's my target this morning. to the dark here. They got a private security guard in there. The women wear beautiful dresses in Mexico, and the kids. All kinds of great. They like lots of color. Sunglasses. I've actually bought myself a pair, mostly to keep the sand out of my eyes, because there tends to be strong wind in Veracruz. You bump into people. You just get used to bumping into people, and they don't apologize because they don't have the same sense of personal space. Coppell store truck. No. So here you are. This street is, oh, that sign over there is going to say the street. This sign right here. Miguel Hidalgo. Avenida Miguel Hidalgo in the Centro Historical Colonia Centro. Okay. Thank you.